Welcome to Curls by Sharlene. Today I'm going to show you how to make rice water and explain some of the benefits from using it. So what does it do for us? It helps with hair growth, it also retains length, so your hair starts to look like the length that it actually is. I mean, how many curly girls have shrinkage? Yeah, I do. We all do. So to actually have something that retains length, hey, let's try it. It brings back edges. If you have hair loss, it helps with hair loss. It also makes your hair shiny. It also helps with dandruff, if you suffer with dandruff. There's so many benefits. Come on, let's try the rice water challenge. Oh, it also helps with detangling. So the question is, what has it got? What benefits are in rice water? Well, it's filled with amino acids, inositol, patera, which is amazing for hair growth. It also works for all types of hair, straight hair, curly hair, wavy hair, whatever type of hair you have, rice water will make it grow. Okay, so let's get into the video now. I will show you how to make rice water. This is about 24 hours after we've made the rice water. We are basically going to try this. I've just shampooed and conditioned my hair. I used Happy Naturals for shampoo. It's free from parabens, sulfates, silicones, petrochemicals, and it's the shea butter and olive one. So I've just used that, and conditioner, Happy Naturals as well, same thing, free from sulfates and silicones and all those bad things that we don't want in our hair. I've now got a bowl, just a standard bowl, and a strainer, and we're going to strain out the rice water. So let's smell what it smells like after 24 hours. It doesn't smell bad. It's I did put lavender oil in mine, so here goes. That's what it's looking like at the minute. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, we have rice water. I did want to show you how much hair I lost after washing, shampooing and conditioning. So I also wanted to do a length check, so let's just get it on the side. The hair is still falling. My hair sheds all the time, so it's about there. Okay, so now I'm going to dunk my hair basically into this. Oh, I can smell the lavender. And I'm going to use a cup, just a normal teacup.
This apparently is the best way to do it. Have it soaking. I need to get to all the bits of my hair. I have a lot of hair. See, a full head.
Okay, so my hair is completely soaked. I'm now going to tie it up and I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes and then we will deep condition for another 30 minutes. See you then. I've rinsed my hair with cold water. I've deep conditioned and look at the results. Hello curls. No products, literally just rinsed my hair and these are the results. But the real challenge will come when we find out if it's going to make my hair grow, how long it's going to take to grow, how strong it's going to get. I'm so excited. So thank you for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you soon with the next update in my next video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you. Bye.